Okay, so I'm looking around and notice some weird stuff going on with my yellow squash. And see that? It's mushy. It just, well, pill bugs in there. But yeah, pretty mushy. I don't know what that is. It was loaded too. It's gonna have quite a few blooms and stuff on it. Let's see. This one here. Look at this. I ain't never seen this happen before. No sign of no bug turds in there. So, don't know what could cause this.
You hit myself on my course.
Anybody has any idea what's going on with this squash, let me know. Because I ain't never seen squash just smoosh up like that and die off. There's no bug in there. Just smooshed up and falling apart. Well, the other ones aren't doing it. Seems to just be these two plants right here that's doing it. I'll check on my zucchini. It's growing. It's looking alright. I don't see no soggies on it. So if anybody knows what's going on with my yellow squash, let me know. And what can I do about it? Thanks for watching.